A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. Hope you all are doing well and also have read the chapter that we have already begun in our last class. So do you remember what is the name of the chapter that we will do? And we are going to continue. It's lesson number 5, training Patchy. Right. So my dear students, without doing further delay, let's see what are the objectives of today's lesson. But before that, my dear students, I just want to know, what do you mean by a good behavior or a bad behavior? Yes, there are two types of behavior. A person can behave very good or a person can behave bad, right? So a good behavior is that legible behavior that you show towards your friends, that you show to your parents, right? Like obeying what they say. We all know that our parents love us a lot. Yes, our teachers love us a lot. Our friends love us a lot. Right? But it doesn't mean that when somebody loves you, you will just disobey that person by nagging for anything that you like. Right? You need to understand it very nicely that if your mama says no for something, that means it is not required for you at the very particular movement, right? So my dear students, let's see what are the objectives of the chapter lesson number 5, right? So the main objectives of lesson number 5 is to develop good behavior and also to learn to differentiate what is good and bad, right? Okay, I know you all are very good in that. I know you know what is the difference between a good and a bad behavior, but sometimes it happens that for small things you keep on nagging to your parents, right? So what we need to do, we need to learn what is important for us, what we want at the right moment. Yes, okay, so this will help your parents a lot. Got it? Okay, by now I know that you might have a small idea of what is there in the story. You have read the story, we have done the reading in last class, right? Okay, so what I'll be doing now, I'll be reading one paragraph and I'll be explaining that. Got it? Okay, so let's begin now. So Aditi was on her way to meet Patchy. Patchy was a small puppy that she had found on the street. His paw had been hurt. Aditi had taken him to Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel had liked the playful puppy and kept him as a pet. It was Dr. Patel who named him Patchy. This was because of a patch on one of his eyes. So what had happened? Aditi, one day she found a small puppy. It hurt his paw. Okay, what had happened? It hurt his paw. So she took Patchy to Dr. Patel, and Dr. Patel has just made him all the first aid what Patchy needed, right? So what had happened? Patchy was a very playful dog, and looking to this, all the playful activities, Dr. Patel told Aditi that, Aditi, why you don't do one thing? You give me Patchy, I'll be looking after him. I really loved his playful nature. Right, so what had happened? Now the owner of Patchy is Dr. Patel. He told that he will be keeping Patchy, and interestingly he named the puppy Patchy because he has a patch on his eyes, right? So in this way Patchy got his name Patchy, and Dr. Patel is his owner, right? Aditi reached Dr. Patel's house and knocked on his door. Come in, Aditi, said Dr. Patel, opening the door. Patchy jumped up in excitement and ran all around the room. Aditi was surprised upon seeing this. Doctor Uncle, how do you manage Patchy? She asked. So what had happened? As I told that Aditi went to meet Dr. Patel to see Patchy. Okay, so when she reached there, she knocked the door of Dr. Patel. And when Dr. Uncle opened the door, what had happened? Patchy came out. Okay, Patchy just jumped up in excitement, right, and ran all over the room. Aditi was very surprised that what had happened. Why? Patchy is acting in such. Okay. And looking at all this, what had happened? Aditi asked Dr. Patel that, Uncle, how do you manage Patchy? Right? He is so playful, he is so unmanageable. Right? After looking a person, what he does, he keeps on jumping in excitement and keeps on running in the room, which made Aditi bound to ask that question. Not very well, doctor replied. He is chewing up everything in sight. Yesterday he chewed up the newspaper. Today he chewed up my slipper. The answer from Dr. Patel, Dr. Uncle, was that not very well. Do you know one thing, Aditi? Whatever Patsy see in the sight means at a time, he keeps on chewing that thing. Yesterday he chewed up the newspaper that I kept on the table, and today he chewed up the slipper. Right? What a bad behavior, said Aditi with frown. Okay. Patchy, behave yourself, she said. Patchy paid no attention to her and started chasing his tail. This was too much for Aditi. Patchy, stop it right now, she said angrily. Upon hearing the anger in little girl's voice, Patchy sat down. He hid his head between his paws. Dr. Uncle, you must teach him what is right and what is wrong. This is how I trained my dog Kiki. Parents love their children, but they also teach them to behave well. True, Aditi, said Dr. Patel. So now it was unbearable for Aditi when she came to know that Patchy was not at all a well-behaved dog. Right? So what happened? Looking at all the bad behavior, right? What she did? She showed a very upsetting face. What do you mean by frown? It's a face that you show when you are upset on something. She said very angrily, the Patchy, behave yourself. But Patchy was a very playful dog, right? And he didn't listen to whatever Aditi said to him. What he did, he paid no attention to what Aditi said. And that was too much for Aditi now. She said that, Patchy, stop it right now. And she said this time out of very anger. Her voice was very loud. Right? Hearing that angry voice of little Aditi, Patchy sat down. He hid his head between his paw. Right? What had happened then? This is how I train my dog. So Aditi already had a dog, and the name of the dog is Kiki. Yes, and Kiki is a very well behaved dog. Whatever Aditi commands, Kiki listens to it very properly. Okay, and Kiki doesn't misbehave. But looking at Patchy, she was very upset that how can Patchy behave in such a manner. Got it, my dear children? Okay, so she said, Dr. Patel, that Dr. Uncle, you need to be very strict with Patchy. All parents love their children, but also they teach them how to behave well. Yes, sometimes it happens then when you make a little noise, when you don't listen to your parents feel very bad. Yes, this is very genuine. Yes, they are taking you up so nicely. They are doing whatever is very necessary for you. They work so hard for you. So what is important? You need to give that heart shape a very big salute. And also, how can you do that? By behaving well and listening to whatever they say. As I told, sometimes it happens that you keep on nagging for a thing, right? So stop doing that and listen to your parents. Got it? Okay. So whatever Aditi said, Dr. Uncle already agreed, right? Even Dr. Uncle knew that in this way, Patchy is never going to learn anything. Doctor Uncle, I'm going to train Patchy from tomorrow. I'll teach him how to be a good dog, said Aditi. So Aditi has taken up a task of training Patchy. As I told, she was very upset by the behavior of Patsy. So she said that, Uncle, I'm going to train Patsy from tomorrow. A week later, Dr. Patel could see the results of Aditi's efforts. Patchy was a changed puppy. He followed commands. Sit meant that he had to sit still. So yes, as Aditi told that she will be training Patchy, and Dr. Patel can see the changes now in Patsy. Yes, whatever command Dr. Patel gives to Patsy now, he takes that command. So whatever efforts Aditi has put on Patsy was very fruitful. Got it? He is to take the command. Sit means that he had to sit still. Okay, heel meant that he had to walk just behind his master. So whenever Dr. Patel or Aditi says heel, what does it mean? Patchy just follow their master wherever they go. Okay, walking behind his master. Paw meant that he had to sit down and lift his right paw for a handshake. So whenever Aditi or Dr. Patel says paw, what Patchy do? He just lifts his right paw for a handshake. Aditi, you have done wonders with Patchy. He is much easier to manage now. Thank you, said Dr. Patel. As I told that Aditi's efforts were very fruitful, it has brought a tremendous change in Patchy. Right, now he takes command and he is a very well-behaved dog. Yes, so what did Uncle said? Uncle Patel, he said that, Aditi, I'm very thankful to you that whatever you have done for Patchy, I can see the changes on him. Remember, Dr. Uncle, loving. So what did she say? Remember, Dr. Uncle, loving Patchy doesn't mean letting him do whatever he likes. Right? When we love someone, it doesn't mean that we allow all the mischievous things that the person like to do. Yeah, right. In the same way, in here, Aditi says that, oh, Dr. Uncle, it doesn't matter that no doubt you love your dog, but whatever he will do is the right thing. Yes, it means that we need to teach him what a good dog does. Yes, he need to learn what is a good behavior. Got it, everyone? So my dear students, what we have learned from here, we all know that our parents love us a lot, right? But we need to know what is good and bad. We shouldn't disturb, we shouldn't nag our parents for anything. Yes, we do. We shouldn't ill behave, ill treat anyone. It may be your parents, it may be your grandma, it may be your grandpa, teachers, not even your brother, sister, or friends. Yes, loving others. Many of you might have a pet at your home. It may be a cat, it may be a dog, right? You teach many things to your pet. Yes, how to give a handshake. Yes, how to speak sometime, how to howl sometime. Right? So in the same way, when we love someone, we try to give him all the best thing, whatever we have, like your parents do. They try to give all the things that you need. They give their full efforts to bring a very bright future, to give a very happy life to you. The only thing is that you need to respect your parents. You need to listen to them very carefully. Got it, everyone? So in here we saw that how Aditi trained Patchy from a very ill-behaved dog to a very well-behaved dog. Right? She taught him how to behave, how to learn new things, and how to learn to command. Right? Got it, everyone? Okay. So my dear students, I hope you have learned the new words with their meaning. So what do you mean by paw? Paw means animal's foot, right? Okay, so what do you mean by patch? Who can tell me that? So what do you mean by patch? So patch means a large mark of different colors, right? Got it? Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to learn it properly. If you find any problem in the chapter, what you are going to do, you are going to ask me that back. If you need, we will be revisiting the chapter again. Got it? Okay, so one more task for you is that find out 10 hard words from the chapter. Yes, what you have to write down, you have to first underline the 10 hard words from the chapter, and you need to write down that in your copy. Okay, so my dear students, before winding up the class, there is a small information. What you have to do, I'll be sending you a code of Google Classroom. Okay, you need to join that classroom. A code will be given. Just join that class. From now onwards, all the homeworks you have to submit in Google Classroom, and all the homeworks you will be getting in there. So for that, you have to first sign in. You have to join the classroom. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, in next online class we will be discussing the question paper. Got it? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe.